studio anyway.
It seems like small spaces that'll do wonders. Okay, now what's our next item?
Our next item, I think it might actually confuse you a little bit. Let me cross right over here. Feel this, Young. It's a flexible type of material.
Okay.
Now, we call this the rolling stove. Have you ever heard of that?
No, I've never heard of a rolling stove. I don't even know how this actually works.
Well, I don't blame you for never having heard of it because it's not only the first of its kind in Korea, it's the first of its kind in the world. So as I stick it in there and put this top part onto it, I can turn it on, right? And I turn the switch, and then I turn the power on, and it's going to start heating up. Now, this fabric, it's electricity conductible material made from carbon. They added urethane into it to make it more flexible. Now, it's going to start heating up really quickly, Young, so I advise you not to touch it. As it starts to heat up, yeah, you want to measure it?
Yeah, let's see it firsthand. Okay, first we'll just get the back of the studio lighting there. It's 21 degrees, as you can see, and it's warming up. You can see that it's at 40 degrees and climbing up, 41, 42.
It heats up very quickly.
Very quickly. So if you're at a work office space, then you can just have this right next to you, and you'll have no problem staying warm in the office. Of course, a lot of offices in Korea these days, they're cutting down on power usage. So
this only uses about 40 to 50% of electricity versus electrical heater systems, or stoves as we call it here in Korea. So it's very energy efficient as well. I'm going to turn that off because we're going to burn ourselves on there.
Another thing is that it accommodates different sizes.
Yes.
These panels, you can get a bigger panel